Hey, what's up guys? Jamie G back here again for another video. I want to say a massive thanks for joining me, and if you are new to my channel, I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and basically all things digital. So if that's of interest to yourself, feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm going to be putting out. See you guys on the inside. Thanks very much for joining me guys, and welcome back. Basically what I'm wanting to discuss today is a follow on from the last couple of videos I've been putting out, which is in relation to an autoresponder. Now, in case you hadn't figured by the other videos I've put out, I love GetResponse. I've been using it for a long time. I've used a whole bunch of autoresponders, and that's the one I keep coming back to, basically because the tools that you get, the way you can segment your list, the deliverability, and I guess the customer service, as well as the fact it's really good value for money, just completely trumps anything else out there on the market as far as I'm concerned. Followed closely by Aweber, which I also love, but I do keep the majority of my list with GetResponse. Now, what I'm wanting to discuss today is basically an article that was forwarded to me by one of the guys I follow online. His name's Miles Beckler. I'm going to leave a link below because he's awesome, so check out his channel. He's huge and just a good dude anyway, from what I can gather. But he actually sent this email, and it's covering a Washington Post article, and again it kind of relates to everything I've been putting out over the last few days. And what it is basically saying is that they've gone through, or Facebook has gone through and shut down something like 800 pages which they deem as sort of political. And again, for me, this completely highlights the need for you to, no matter what you're doing, doesn't matter where you're getting your traffic from, whether it's Google or YouTube or Facebook or anything like that, it's so important to build something that's not attached to anything else like that. So you don't own your Facebook page, you don't own your Facebook group, you don't own your YouTube channel, even though you could spend years putting a whole bunch of effort into it. If you think of people like Logan Paul, for example, obviously he was going strong, and I think it was rumored to be making something like $1 million per month. And then out of nowhere he makes a couple of kind of poor choices and bad videos, and all of a sudden they just axe him, and that's $1 million a month just completely gone. Having said that, I'm assuming he's probably a smart enough dude to have extracted some of that extracted some of the people that were following him onto other platforms, and so hopefully he's got like a backup plan. But like I say, again, super important to be building your database, your email list along the way, and for reasons like that is because you don't control that. You do control your blog, but again, if you put out something and it gets hacked, then that's gone as well, but less likely to happen, of course. Like I say, super quick video today, just wanted to get this out there. If you're not building your list, you really need to be doing, and if you do want to jump on board, have a look at one of the better performing autoresponders out there. Like I say, I'm going to leave a link below. There's a free trial there for GetResponse. It's one that I use and that I love, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks very much for joining me. Sorry it's so brief today, but got a lot of stuff I need to get done. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.